Good morning, students. So we are continuing with the same chapter, Limits of the Mind. Yesterday we saw how Eklavya, he cut off his right thumb and laid it at Drona's feet because Drona had asked him for Guru Dakshina. Many years passed. A great battle was going on in Kurukshetra between the Kauravas and the Pandavas, but as fate had it, the great master Drona was fighting against his favorite pupil Arjun. After the day's battle, a sad Drona was sitting in his camp. Suddenly, like a respectful prayer, arrows fell near his feet, one after another. He looked up and saw the young Eklavya. So, the battle of Kurukshetra was going on between the Kauravas and the Pandavas, and Drona was fighting against his favorite pupil Arjun. And he's sitting in his camp. Drona could see arrows falling, and those were the arrows which Eklavya had shot. Master, I have learned to shoot without my right thumb. I can shoot with my left hand and with my feet. I have taught others and raised an army. Today I am known as a great archer. Drona was speechless. So Drona was speechless. Why? Because Eklavya said, Master, I have learned to shoot without my right thumb. He also learned to shoot with his left hand, with his feet, and also he had raised an army. Master, I set your greatness free from the limits of your own mind. Your great love for Arjun crossed the limits of fairness when you asked for my thumb. But this made me learn to shoot with both hands and feet. And for this lesson, I offer my services to you in this battle. So Eklavya said that since you refused to teach me because I was low born, and I offered my right thumb as your Guru Dakshina, offered it as a Guru Dakshina, and Eklavya learned to shoot with both hands and feet. And for this he said, now he was offering his service to Drona in this battle. Drona's eyes filled with tears. He answered, yes, it is true, bounds and limits are in the mind. So all the discrimination, all these are in the mind. Drona said, these are all baseless, isn't it? Real courage is fighting against wrong limits and respecting the correct ones. So real courage, how do you prove that you're really courageous? Only by fighting all that is wrong, all that is evil in the society, and respecting the correct ones. Eklavya, you have taught me a great lesson today. So Drona said, he said to Eklavya that, Eklavya, today you have taught me a great lesson, that you should not discriminate anyone for being high born or low born. Everybody should be treated equally.